Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of a home. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, the unique climate and environmental conditions present specific challenges when it comes to window maintenance and functionality. This article explores the most common window problems in Gilbert homes and offers practical solutions to address them. Heat transfer and poor insulation. Gilbert's desert climate is characterized by intense heat and high sun exposure for most of the year. Many older homes or homes with outdated windows struggle with poor insulation, leading to increased indoor temperatures and soaring energy bills. Solution: upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Consider installing double or triple pane windows with low emissivity coatings to reduce heat transfer. Window films. Adding reflective or tinted window films can block out harmful UV rays and reduce heat gain. Weather stripping. Replace or install new weather stripping around the frames to minimize air leaks. Foggy windows. Homeowners often report foggy windows, especially in double-paned units. This is usually a result of a broken seal, allowing moisture to seep between the panes. Solution: replace the glass. If the window frame is still in good condition, you can replace just the glass unit, which is more affordable than a full window replacement. Professional repair. Hire a professional to reseal the window or assess whether a replacement is necessary. Cracked or broken glass. Accidents, weather events, or age can cause windows to crack or break, compromising the home's security and energy efficiency. Solution: temporary fixes. Use clear tape or a window patch kit to seal cracks until a replacement can be arranged. Replace the glass or window. Depending on the extent of the damage, you may need to replace the glass or the entire window unit. Choose tempered or laminated glass for added durability. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Many Gilbert homeowners struggle with windows that are difficult to open or close. This issue is often caused by dirt buildup, warped frames, or damaged tracks. Solution: clean and lubricate tracks. Remove debris and apply a silicone-based lubricant to improve functionality. Inspect and repair frames. If warping is the issue, consider repairing or replacing the frame. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are excellent choices for durability in hot climates. Adjust the hinges or hardware. Sometimes, loose or misaligned hardware can impede operation. Tighten or adjust as needed. Dust and dirt accumulation. Gilbert's dry, dusty environment means windows are prone to collecting grime, which can obscure views and damage seals over time. Solution: regular cleaning. Clean windows and screens with a mix of water and mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth. Install protective screens. Use dust-resistant window screens to reduce the amount of debris that reaches the glass. Drafty windows. Drafts are a common complaint, especially in older homes. They make it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher energy costs. Solution: Seal gaps. Apply caulk around the edges of the window frame to seal small gaps. Install insulated curtains. Heavy drapes or insulated window coverings can help block drafts and keep the interior more comfortable. Replace old windows. For severe drafts, replacing the windows with modern, energy-efficient models may be the best long-term solution. Condensation on interior surfaces. In Gilbert's cooler months, condensation may form on the inside of windows, particularly if the home is poorly ventilated. Solution: improve ventilation. Use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms to reduce indoor humidity levels. Upgrade windows. Installing windows with better thermal resistance can help reduce condensation issues. Dehumidifiers. Use a dehumidifier to maintain optimal indoor humidity levels. Sun damage to window frames. The relentless Arizona sun can cause fading, cracking, or warping of window frames, especially if they are made from wood or other vulnerable materials. Solution: apply protective coatings. Use UV-resistant paint or varnish to protect wooden frames. Replace frames. Opt for vinyl or fiberglass frames, which are more resistant to UV damage. Add shade. Install awnings or plant shade, providing trees near windows to protect them from direct sunlight. Prevention tips for Gilbert homeowners. Schedule regular maintenance. Inspect your windows at least twice a year for signs of damage or wear. Invest in quality windows. High-quality, energy-efficient windows tailored to Gilbert's climate can save money and prevent many common problems. Professional assessments. Periodically hire a professional to evaluate your windows and suggest improvements. By addressing these common window issues, Gilbert homeowners can enhance their home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Investing in timely repairs and quality upgrades will ensure your windows stand the test of time in the Arizona desert climate.